Could AI become smarter than humans? Artificial intelligence is growing faster than ever. AI can already write articles, create images, drive cars, answer the questions, detect diseases. But one question worries many experts. Could AI someday become smarter than humans? What is artificial intelligence? AI refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Modern AI learns from massive amounts of data. This allows machines to recognize patterns and improve over time. So, do you know how fast is AI improving? AI technology has advanced rapidly in recent years. Today, AI helps in medicine, banking, education, space research, and entertainment. Some AI systems can process information much faster than humans. So the question is, could AI surpass humans? Some scientists believe artificial general intelligence or AGI may one day exist. This would be an AI capable of performing almost any intellectual task like a human. Reporters believe AGI can solve major global problems. Critics worry about job loss, misinformation, lack of control, dangerous misuse. So, what experts' opinion about artificial intelligence? Experts have different opinion. Some believe AI will always remain a tool controlled by humans. Others think super intelligent AI could appear in the future. Currently, no AI truly thinks or feels like a human. AI is the most powerful technologies ever created. It could improve medicine, science, and daily life, but humanity must use it carefully and responsibly. The future of AI may shape the future of civilization itself. That's for now.